All right. I'll have to watch those highlights later. Thanks, guys. We got Dennis for 2. Well, let's just look at chat right here. Hold on. Don't mind the black screen. We have Dennis, Nordy, Alan, Rob, Gary, and Bazzy. We're going to random the name order, and then we're going to random the divisions, just like always. Good luck. Thanks for the quick payments. You guys hit something good, so Freddie's mad that he didn't get a spot. 5 and a 2. 7 times. I have Dennis, Nordy, Alan, Rob, Gary, Bazzy 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the new order is Dennis, Bazzy, Dennis, Alan, Rob, Nordy, Gary, and Alan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 7 times. 5 and a 2 is 7. Now we're going to random the divisions. Six and a 4 is 10 times on this one. 10 times. AFC East, North, South, and West. NFC East, North, South, and West. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th and final time. Good luck. 10. Now remember, this is part 2015 and a little bit of 2014 too. It's mostly 2015, but what we got here? Oops, sorry. We have Dennis with the NFC West. We have Bazzy with the NFC South. Bazzy likes that. That's a good one for Bazzy. NFC East, third for Dennis. Dennis, NFC East. Fourth spot is Alan, has the NFC North. Rob, in the 5th spot, has the AFC East. Nordy, in the 6th spot, has the AFC North. Gary, in the 7th spot, has the AFC South. And Alan, in the last spot, has the AFC West. When you do mixed years, it kind of diffuses who's good and who's bad. It's pretty even all the way through. That is 10 times there. 6 and a 4 is 10. All right, I'll catch up on chat, and if you guys want to trade, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll get ready. I have a question on Playbook, too. On Playbook, I have a brand new case, and I have 2 left over from the last case. I don't care which you guys have, but the last case, the last box was the best box because it had a Manziel and a autograph of Khalil Mack, but there's been no Beckham pulled out of that case. There's been no Bridgewater. So it's up to you guys. I'll go grab the other cases though. They made the extra point. You can get the full case. I'm good either way. You can believe me. I would not lie, especially to you bastards. All right, I don't want to number these boxes because I think I'm going to ship some of them out on DealerNet, and I'd rather not have them numbered. So we're going to pick them the way they're in the case. So for those in this break that are supporting me and not named Big Time Freddy, I give Shimmy a break because he wasn't here. Help me pick some boxes. I'm just teasing you, Freddie. I love to have you here. All right, somebody that's lucky, tell me if you want bottom, middle, or top of this certified case, and how. And we got 3 boxes out of it. I don't know what number 9 is. And you're not in the break. Who's lucky? I think you guys should have Dennis pick tonight, man. Dennis is lucky. Should we go? A lot of you say in the middle. Gary's saying 9, which would be at the bottom. Let's see. 1, 2. 9 would be right here. This would be 9. So I'm with Matt when I saw 2 9s. And Alan said in the middle, too deep. So you want the second one in the middle, Alan? Right there. I call. Where's Dennis? Dennis should be picking. He's hit 2 $500,000 cards tonight. All right, Dennis is sleeping. Somebody else pick another box. How about Gary? No, Gary picked one. Bottom, top. So top here, all the way to the back, Bazzy. All the way to the back on the. Okay. All right, Bazzy picked. Way back there. Ugh. All right. This case is done. Well, it's not done. I'll still sell more out of there, but we picked our boxes out of it. Okay, 3 done. Clear Vision is next. Look at this. How often do you see mixers where they're out of full cases? Bull crap. Okay. Same thing, guys. Dennis is asleep, so it's going to be the same guys. All right, I got to figure out what number 3 is. If I was numbering these, Bazzy, the 3 would be the bottom of the bottom row. Shimmy wants 4. This is number 4. Anybody else second the 4 that's in the break? Pick that one because Shimmy knows what he's talking about. All right. It's a mixture, Alan. But there's Dennis. All right, hold on. Dennis, give me a number 1 through 9. that's not 4 and it's not 3. Okay, somebody else give. Who do I want a number out of? Gary, give me a damn number. Or Nordy. I want a number from Gary or Nordy. First one I see. Okay, 7. 7's right on top. Thank you, Gary. You made it easy. 7's the top of the top row. All right. Look at that. That's what we got so far. Playbook is next. I'm getting the full case. Instead of friendly box braces, I should be like, I yell at my customers box break. I think there already are a couple that do that. I used to go into Bumo's room and he would really yell at his customers. I mean, he'd let them have it. And Jacob yells at his customers quite a bit. I generally only yell at one of my customers. I'm always nice to Gary. When am I not nice to Gary? I'm nice to Gary pretty much all the time. Oh God, he has some rough ones in his room, Doug. It's not a lie. Okay, this is 1 and this is 15. I want a number 1 through 15 from somebody that's lucky. I'm taking the first 3 numbers I see. Number 1, 7, and... Oh, man, I had 14 and 11 at the exact same time. Okay, I'm doing 1 and 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need a vote. Who wants 11 and who wants 14? There's 14. And there's 11. Okay, 11. 11 it is. That was like the exact same time. All right. We are set. Are we still recording? I feel like this break is an hour old already. Yeah, it's like 50-50 right now in the 2 rooms. You guys are making it tough on me in chat. All right, I'm going with Clear Vision first. Good luck, everybody. Honestly, hope to see some great cards. And contrary to what Freddie says, I'm not going to be disappointed if you guys hit the autograph here. Because I can ship it out on DealerNet. And get rid of them if they don't sell here. I can buy you one, Freddie. It's about 50. No, it is 50-50. Bazzy, Gary, and Rob, and Alan, Dennis, and Nordy. It's 50-50. I was right. Ooh, got a red. All right, I'll do a playbook next, Alan. Congrats on the Cowboy victory. Look at that. Clear Vision, Emmitt Smith, 13 of 25. Red parallel for the Dallas Cowboys, and NFC East is Dennis, right? No. Well, hold on. Let me check this. That is yours? Allen? No, Dennis has the NFC East. I thought it was Dennis. Dennis is in the 3 spot. NFC East. You got the North, Allen. And you got the AFC West. You got the North, the NFC North, and the AFC West, which are good. The AFC West is really good in 2015 stuff. You got Melvin Gordon and Amari Cooper. And you got this, Bo Jackson. If he hits something, Dennis, that you want to trade for, he does like the Cowboys. You might be able to trade that, Emmitt Smith. You got an Amari Cooper short print rookie right there. Big time shimmy gets the filler card. Amari Cooper short print rookie. Richard Sherman. Got a red coming up again. Buck Allen, 17 of 25. 17 of 25. Ben Roethlisberger insert rookie or base card, and the jersey is Jared Allen for the NFC North. It's got a Viking on one side and the Bear on the other. Same division, 28 of 99. And Trey Mason. All right, I'm going to do a playbook next. I love how Freddie says something and everybody jumps on that. Now Doug is giving me crap. Rob hasn't been around for 2 months and all of a sudden he's jumping in there giving me crap. These right in the middle will take a little more time, Alan. The rest are going to be quick. None of them are real long, but those will take the longest. You want me to do those last, Alan? Those 3? Card number 1. Oop, it's backwards. $14 of 25. Triple jersey, Monty Ball, Ronnie Hillman, and Cody Latimer. Camera. Sorry. 14 of 25. I'll do those first. Next card. Monty Ball. Next card. This is going to be a good one. Book of... God, we've hit Kadeem Carey so many times. Kadeem Carey. NFC North. Number 203 of 299. Kadeem Carey. Okay. You guys mind if I do the clear vision and the playbook first and the certified last for Alan? Certified's the most expensive of the group. I'll save them for the end. Thick card there. I like how one side is orderly and the other side is just, you know, can tell we're the problem child's the group. One side resembles Jacob's room. All right, next one. Matt Ryan. Stephon Anthony, rookie for the 49ers. Oh, no. Saints, sorry. Joe Montana. Garrett Grayson, red, number 13 of 25 for the NFC South. Garrett Grayson, red. Devonta Adams for the Pack. Mark Ingram. Rookie is going to be next. This is a variation rookie because the squiggly lines below it of Todd Gurley. Yep, you got it, Alan. Todd Gurley. Zach Martin. Dan Marino. Patrick Peterson. Marshawn Lynch. Keenan Allen. Mark Ingram, 71 of 99. Earl Thomas for them fighting Seahawks. Future Super Bowl champion Seahawks. Nice card for the AFC North. Dual jersey. Clear vision, clear history of Jeremy Hill, 63 of 99. You have gotten that card before, haven't you, Alan? That's weird because I do remember you hitting that card a couple times. Playbook. Let's get Gary a card. All right, let's hit a good card here. Card number 1. It is number 40 of 75. 40 of 75. Autograph of... I'm not going to say his name. It's Alan's. That's like the 5th for you, Alan. All right, the book. All right. Good luck. It's a book of DeAnthony Thomas. Full book, no auto. That was not the best playbook box I've seen. Number 183 of 199. It's not Kadeem Carey, but maybe it should have been. All right. We are desperate need of a box that's good. I'm pretty sure the Seahawks aren't that fair weather where you win a Super Bowl, you get second place, and a couple losses, and they're going to be gone. Have I not got you anything, Gary? Gary, what are you looking for? AFC South. Gary, that's Marcus Mariota. There's an autograph of Marcus Mariota right there. It's coming. All right, let's hit a Marcus for Gary. All right, Gary, Freddie's going to make some sort of comment, but oh wow, that's a cool jersey. I wish it was a better player. Those are two great patches. Lions and the Saints. So you got NFC North and the NFC South. So we got Bazzie and Allen. Bazzie and Allen on that one. Brett Favre, Jamal Charles, Jameis Winston, rookie card. Had a little rough game today. He got a couple touchdowns, though, in junk time. J.J. Watt, 35 of 99, parallel card. So Zach Martin, Dwayne Bowe. Nick O'Leary for the AFC East. I haven't got any AFC East cards either. Is that Nordy or Rob? That's Rob. Martavis Bryant. Matthew Stafford. Got a red parallel. Numbered. They not numbered? I thought these were numbered, but I'm not seeing a number on this card. Am I going blind? I don't see a number. It's Evans, McCoy, and Martin. Maybe it's not red. Maybe that's the Buccaneers colors. Brandon Marshall, Lawrence Taylor. Clarity, Johnny Manziel. And Russell Wilson. All right. All I can say is the clear visions you guys picked out were not the best. I don't think I can be held accountable for that. I didn't see a number on the Evans side. I think it was just the Buccaneers colors. See, I tried to get Dennis to pick the numbers, and he wouldn't do it. I know who's the lucky one in the group. Okay. Next card. Playbook. For the Texans, 25 of 25. Xavier Su'a-Filo. It's not J.J. Watt. 25 of 25. Xavier Su'a-Filo. These are not the best playbook I've hit either. I've actually had some fun boxes in this stuff. Next card's going to blow you away, Bazzie. I need to get the thick sleeves. I don't know. I don't work for Panini. That's pretty lame. I would agree. But you know why? It's because this card's the bomb. This card's the bomb. You ready? Oop, backwards. No, it's not the bomb. Logan Thomas, auto jersey book. Doug, you had that set up. That is for the NFC West. You know he's got a shot someday. That's Dennis. Dennis will hold on to that, and Dennis will sell it when he starts someday. Number 26 of 299. Did he? He didn't really get released, did he? Did he really? Well, geez. I'm starting to feel bad now. I didn't even package this stuff. All right, certified. Alan, you need to stay up and watch these. I don't believe he got cut. I thought he was the Cardinals were keeping him. Leaf certified is going to save the day. Well, I hadn't seen the card yet. I was just projecting, Bazzy. I'm allowed to think positive thoughts, ain't I? I don't know. I'm just going to concentrate on this box, not read the chat. I'm pulling book cards of guys that were like not only cut, but they lost a couple limbs. The Dolphins cut him too. Well, how many times can he be cut in 1 year? All right. Leaf certified. This is going to save the day, Alan. Don't go to sleep. Devontae Parker, rookie gold team. First hit. Chris Conley, 147 of 799 for the AFC West. Larry Fitzgerald, 9 of 50. Derek Carr, 4 of 50. Gale Sayers. Tom Brady base. I got a hit card right here. It's an autograph of Devin Funchess. 579 of 599. Two-color Funchess. Not a bad card. Fazzy gets that too. That's his team. One card there for Bazzy. We got more hits in this stuff. Larry Fitzgerald, red. Thought Logan Thomas someday would get a shot. I got a hit card coming up here, right here, folks. It's a one-piece jersey of Kevin White. I didn't say that about Kadeem Carey, Freddie. I need to... Somebody kick Freddie from the room. Free break credit for whoever kicks Freddie. Stafford was numbered out of 199. I said Funchess was not bad. Kadeem Carey has worn me out. I've seen him too many times. Gold Dez Bryant for the Cowboys. Eric Dickerson insert. Some rookie I've never heard of. We got one auto left, I think. There it is, right there. Nope, that's a rookie. Is it right here? Don't they have 4 hits per box, or is it 3? 4. Where did I miss the hit? I swear to God, if I have a hit missing, I will go to the ends of the earth to find another hit. Shaq Thompson, numbered rookie to 999. Efo rookie to 999. Kelvin Benjamin skills. What the hell? I am going to break something. There is no way that I am going to be shorted a hit. Let me go through these again. Did I go right by it? All right, I got something to make up to you guys. Unless I get a hot box, I'll make up something to you because I only got 3 hits there. Funchess auto jersey, Kevin White, and Chris Conley. Shut up, Freddie, you bastard. I hate missing a hit. Make sure there ain't a pack in the box. I keep looking around like I'm missing a stack. I owe you guys a hit. Put it on the board. They probably did. Yeah, Panini actually probably would send me something, but it would be a $3 auto. Who's good at sending stuff back to Panini? Anybody done it recently? Because every time I do, stuff takes either forever or I get crap. Jason sent that in, Rob. I'll have to ask him. I got my Topps order that I sent back in, but I don't know about that. All right, we got 2 reds. This might be a nice card. That is a nice patch. David Johnson, 3-colored auto. Patch for the NFC West. All right, I'm looking for extra hits. Maybe we'll get the hot box. Red, J.J. Watt. Amari Cooper. This is the hot box, isn't it? Why would I get 2 reds back-to-back? Cooper, that's a nice card there for the NFC West. Or AFC West. Amari Cooper, rookie gold team, 24 of 199. For the Giants, number 17 of 49. Nice long jersey patch of Andre Williams. What happened to Andre Ellington? He's on my freaking team. Did he get hurt? This isn't the hot box? I'm just guessing. I've only seen one of them. He got hurt? Crap. Is he really out bad? There he is. Jared Holloman. We're in the middle of the most frustrating division break of all time, Jason. These guys are giving me so much shit. Rob's been gone for 2 months, and he's already back to giving me crap. Bo Jackson insert. Just steps right in and takes over for Freddie. Reggie Bush insert. We got another hit right here. It's a blue auto, number 40 of 50 for Fred Biletnikoff. It's a better box of cards. That's the 3rd hit. Got a nice Cooper and a nice Biletnikoff. A Reggie Bush insert. Another hit. Dual jersey, Max Williams, Stephon Diggs, 277 of 799. New generation duels. Diggs and Williams. That's the AFC North and the NFC North duel. I don't have any more Bowman Chrome in the room. Come on, man. Give me something really crazy. I like that Biletnikoff, but I want a Marcus Mariota auto or some sort of vet that knocks us off our feet. Pruitt red. Man, there is 8 million Kid Reporter cards. Can I give you all... Rob, you want the Kid Reporter cards, don't you? Marcus Golden. Gold, Brashard Perryman. And that's it. We actually got 4 hits out of that, didn't we? Biletnikoff, Williams, David Johnson, and the duel. 1 box left. I still owe you guys a hit. I'm not backing down from that. I'm a man of my word. I agree. Biletnikoff won't go that big, but he is a Hall of Famer. I have like 24 eBay messages to return. Whose idea was it to do football? I think it was Bazzy's, wasn't it? Can we blame all this on Bazzy? You just said, Bazzy, you were going to keep it all. It's PC. God damn it. You can't sell Cardinals. All right, last box. This is the last chance before everybody gets mad at Bazzy. Here we go. Joe Montana. Autograph for the Jacksonville Jaguars, number 90 of 199, Ben Koyak. Where's iGolf? Jersey card for the AFC West, Amari Cooper. I'm hitting a few AFC West cards for Allen. What division is Gary? The one guy I really like, and I can't hit anything for him. AFC South. I need a Marcus Mariota or a Andrew Luck. Damn it. The one guy not giving me crap. Actually, Nordy isn't either. I'll hit him something. I haven't said it. I hit the Jeremy Hill for him, and that's it. Christian rookie, number 7 of 10. Gerald Christian, 7 of 10. That worth anything? I can't read the chat because Jason keeps putting gibberish in there. Will somebody kick Jason from the room? Another auto. Number 12 of 150. Desmond Lewis. For the Buffalo Bills. Rob is on the board. Boy, I am going to have to give something away after this. Peyton Manning, 40 of 99. Yeah, it's a Peyton Manning. The AFC West haven't done that bad. NFC West I've hit a few cards out of. I have not hit much, though. The Bowman Chrome was much better. Hey, Jason, you should see what we missed out on the hobby cases. Wait till I show you what was hit tonight. Amir, oh, that's a nice patch. NFC North hasn't done too bad either. 12 of 25, Amir Abdullah. $12 of 25. Amir Abdullah patch. That's the best card of the box, and it does not have an autograph on it. Jersey card. Devontae Parker, 328 of 999. Is this the hot box? It is, isn't it? We hit the hot box, you lucky bastards. Did ya? I didn't see it. How'd you tell right away? Is it the Flames? Is it that? Ajayi. 261 of 399. I can't read the chat. There's 8 million. Calvin Johnson, 8 of 50. There's so much numbered in this box, it's not even funny. Got another flaming one coming up. Stephon Anthony rookie. Guys ready? Flaming jersey out of 399, Jameis Winston. Jameis Winston jersey. There's 10 hits in this sucker. We got a bunch more left. Everybody settle in. Jordy Nelson, Paul Dawson. Another autograph out of 150, Lorenzo Taliaferro for the Ravens. AFC North. You got 2 thick cards left. First one is for the Green Bay Packers. 135 of 249, Flaming Brett Hundley. On Fire Hot Box. Autograph patch. Crap. This could have been a really good one. 28 of 49, Carlos Williams. At least it's for Rob. Carlos Williams, 3-color patch, 28 of 49. That might be it. That is it. 10 hits in the last box. Sorry. Sorry, Gary. Jason, find me a good Packer card to give Gary for makeup for his absolutely getting killed. I don't think I hit much for Nordy either. AFC North, I hit a few, but not much. I got 2 to give, 2 to random. At least I got 10 hits in the last one. Alan did okay. Alan got some cards, but man, I just didn't hit many big names. You got more than a Funchess. You got the NFC South. You got half this Reggie Bush card. What are you kidding me? Boom. Look at that. I agree. Hey, Jason, before I do these randoms, look at that card. That's a beauty. Oh, let me do this random real quick. All right. From left to right, we got the Saints and the Lions. Five and a 6. 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Call it. Who's going to win? 11. The Detroit Lions stay on top for the Reggie Bush 11 times. I am sorry, Bazzy. 11 times. Next one. I got Baltimore and Minnesota. Six and a 2. Baltimore and Minnesota. Going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th and final time. Vikings. Man, the NFC North destroyed it on the randoms. Vikings win 8 times. 6 and a 2 is 8.